Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a stock technical analysis of Nano Dimension. I definitely wanted you guys to see this before the week starts, especially if you're on the fence about investing in Nano Dimension. The whole purpose of this video is to give you guys price targets for this week and areas where price can bounce and react. I've been analyzing and marking up charts for years, and I've learned that the easiest way to make confident decisions in your trading is to mark charts as simply as possible and stick to your price points. It's very difficult to time the market, but at least when you mark your charts, you'll get as close to potential price targets as you can. You will never be perfect, but that's something you're going to have to learn. The best thing to do right now with Nano Dimension is dollar cost averaging, but if you have the chance to buy it cheaper, then I would definitely take it. I have personally built a position that I'm comfortable holding and not even buying any more shares. If it does drop below 4, I will load up. But hopefully by the end of this video, you guys can ease your mind on the uncertainty in Nano Dimension and that you can make whatever decisions you want to make with confidence. So I wanted to remind you, it takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. So all I ask in return is that you subscribe to the channel. YouTube does a really good job at figuring out what kind of videos you like to watch. So I would highly recommend you subscribe. So here are my markings on the chart. I try to keep it as simple as possible when I do my charting. Sometimes overanalyzing your stock will lead to you really not doing anything with it at all. When you do this over and over again, or if you like to watch my videos a lot, you will get better at looking at the charts over time. There is no indicator that's going to give you the perfect entry, and it's really a matter of you being able to comfortably mark your charts and execute at your price points. So in this case, this is what I marked on the charts, and this is where I feel really confident that price is going to be going to. So starting pre-market on Monday, I definitely don't see price breaking out of, let's say, between $4 and $4.60. I moved it up to a 4-hour time frame just so it's a little bit easier to look at. If we were to break above $4.70 and have a successful retest, we could see a slow and steady move back up to the $6 mark. Now, I don't predict it's going to be as sharp as the previous two because now at this point, people are watching this stock. Smart money knows that eyes are on this company right now, and they're not going to give away their shares for free. So I really don't think they're going to let everyone buy up Nano Dimension and let the shares run away. Now, another possibility, if we do stay in this range, I believe that if we do stay in this range long enough, then it really does mitigate more of the downside. But if we do break out of this consolidation zone between $4 and $4.70, I could definitely see us going down to at least $3.30. And if we were to trade inside of the range, we could even go down to maybe $2.70. Now, considering the most recent offering, I do doubt that it's going to go under $4. But if it does, I don't see it going any lower than around $3.30. And if prices were to come down here, I would most certainly be buying more of Nano Dimension. And the way we could tell if that's going to happen is if we end up trading and closing below the $4 mark. We want to pay special attention to the close price of these candlesticks and not what's happening while the candlestick is open. From my previous experience, a closing candlestick carries a lot more weight than just a shadow or the wick on the candlestick. So just to make it even easier for you to identify the ranges, I have marked them on the right of the chart. Consolidation is just the area where price is going to bounce up and down within a close sideways range. And in this case, I see 3 different ranges. Between $4 and $4.70, between $2.70 and $3.30, and between $6 and $6.33, which is the most recent high. If you are interested in investing in this company, right now we are essentially at the middle of both of these ranges. So if you're willing to hold on to this company, I don't see why you're going to try and time the market. It makes sense to just buy within this range and hold it for the long term. I really believe there's a good chance that the next time we have an offering, it is going to be $5 a share. Now, if for any reason we were to break above $6.33 again and close, I think we're going to see some very interesting new price targets coming forward. So this thick green line we see up here is around $9.40. This is going to be what I deem the next strong area where price could come. The reason I say that is because the last time price was here was in December of 2018. Once it retested in February of 2019, it never came back. So it ultimately dropped below the $6.80 area, and it never came back. So I think in the greater scope of things, the price is doing whatever it can to eventually make it back up to that $9 range. So I think long-term price targets, we could see the next major level around $9 a share. Now, do I see that happening this week? Probably not. I really doubt it. But what I do see happening in the long term is definitely it has a very good chance of getting back up to this $9 range. But anyways, yeah, go ahead and screenshot this and study it. I am going to watch how this pans out and to see if my levels were correct or not. I am going to keep this chart the exact same, but if you do want to be updated on what's happening in Nano Dimension, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I am going to have this chart up and I'm probably going to go over it later in the week. For those of you who did buy above $5, I think that this right now is an opportunity for you to average down on your position. Now, depending on your risk tolerance, I can't say how heavy you should be in Nano Dimension, but all I'm saying is right now at this price point, if you were in at $5, this is an opportunity for you to average down. If you guys want to check out how my trade performance has been, you can go to the link in the description and visit my Patreon. I do post it publicly, but only my patrons will have access to this. But anyways, that wraps up this video on Nano Dimension. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for over 1,400 subscribers. It really means a lot. If you liked what you were watching, go ahead and hit that like button, and you should even consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. Best of luck to everyone, and I will see you in the next video.